like free pizza and wings. Message and data rates may apply.
Everyone knows that it's hard to stop a train, and right now Greenwood Heating and Air has an absolutely unstoppable deal that can save you $300 on the purchase of a qualifying train heating and cooling system since 1921. Washington's oldest and most trusted. Greenwood Heating and Air.
Operation Human Freight.
Winning the gold medal for flavor. Put together a dish that's a smashing success. 3, 2, 1, Next, I head to Santa Fe, Texas, where Dustin and
like 3 slings at this thing and it just fell apart. I'm on a mission to take these homes from cookie cutter to custom made. Oh my god, it's gorgeous!
it's like everything I could ever dream.
As a builder and designer, I love unlocking.
Yes, sorry, I'm calling so late. I'm calling from the States, and well, I've stayed in that hotel myself a number of times, and I just thought that you might.
Pacifica is a quiet community. They're out. You can actually leave your doors open. Very low key.
Emiliano Balestrieri, a San Francisco.
On the flip percent, we have pretty much stabilization when it comes to the Chinese renminbi. A lot of people say the fact that we did see these tariffs on $200 billion of Chinese goods, not a whole lot of reaction when it came to the renminbi here this week. That perhaps is a signal that we could see a little bit of stabilization to come here at around 684. Rish?
She nasty. That's a nasty.
I have, and I'm sorry. You think of a solution?
Men are so quick to litter.
Would be enjoying an almost unprecedented resurgence of attention and exposure, both here in America and around the globe. Publications which once disdained it are hiring writers. Television networks which once rejected it are buying rights. Arenas which for years had written it off are now scheduling dates. And amid all that activity, by far the most important fight visibly
Love the complementary color palette and the different textures. Very modern and abstract.
Well, look at you, using terms and everything.
Art is one of my passions.
Very cool. Well, what about you? What do you do?
I'm in medical school.
25 seconds. They say the head stays alive for a little while after it's been cut off.
Please, only a smouldering skeleton, remember.
Oh no.
Something wrong?
Yeah, got a little
Problem with the brakes. Hang on, Jim Bob.
Can't see. I don't want to go in that ditch.
Our tires are just inches away from the cliff's edge.
Scaredest I've ever been so far on this road. This little glass of mine, I'm gonna let it shine.
Let it shine.
Let it shine.
You finish.
The beginning, then periodically returning to the end, maybe giving different characters perspectives throughout, just to give a bit of dynamism. Otherwise, it's just sort of a linear story.
Just tell us what happened.
Right, well, I lost a bunch of money from some people, and now they want it back.
What about Don Beeman?
Beeman knew that I'd falsified my financials, so they sent round Wesley to try and keep him quiet. Forced him at gun.
I think back about watching him in his prime. It was watching him drop into coverage with tight end. Some will say that he was not one of the premier great inside line.
Breast cancer.
I definitely never want to let my son down.
Others keep their ambitions close, stealing our.
Gizmo. Ja, dat was een mooi beep. Dit scherm, joh. Die zit er aan. Ik kan niet doen. Ik kan niet. Oh ja, die kan niet, hè.